Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, I want to say a big thank you to you, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So today's video is going to be my first unboxing video, and I'm going to be unboxing some of the product that I got from Amazon for this channel. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. I ordered things from Amazon for my channel because I really wanted something new to be showing you guys how to make all sorts of hair and yeah, and so much more, and also some gear for my camera. So let's get started. Hi guys, so today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and I'm just going to go into it. So before I get started, if you're new here to my channel, I want to say a big thank you to you for clicking on this video, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So today's video, as I said before, is going to be unboxing video. I got some new product for my channel, and I wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys. As you can see, I opened it before, but I didn't open the whole thing. I didn't bring anything out yet, so I'm just going to do an unboxing video. So the reason I did other things from Amazon is because I needed some new mannequin to do hair. This mannequin was okay. I don't have anything against it. It was long at first, but I had to cut it. So I wanted something that I can show you guys with this. This is very like scanty, like it's like some parts are bored and you can't really do much about it. So I decided to go get some new stuff for my YouTube channel, and some new mannequin to make wig as well. So this is the mannequin head that I got. This is in the size 23. I believe you're supposed to order a size 22. This is actually very big. I didn't expect it to be this big, but you know what, I still really like it. This is my first time buying a mannequin like this. I usually have the regular $4.99 that I bought from my local beauty supply store, and I really wanted something like a real mannequin that I can make my wig on. So, and when I ordered this, I think this was $39, and it came with the pin, so that when you're making the wig, you just put the wig cap down and you secure the wig cap with this pin. So I'm really pleased with this, both of this product. I haven't used it yet, but the way it looks, I really like it, and I'm very happy that it came with this pin right here. So let's go ahead and open this box, and I'm going to just bring the product out. I also ordered something for my camera, so I don't have to be standing up all the time to press the buttons or anything, so I can just use the remote. So it came with this thing. It's already popped. My son popped it off. He loved it. So, and this is one. I'm just going to put the rest down for now. This is, I think this should be the new mannequin head that I ordered. Let's see if this is it. Okay, so yep, it is the new mannequin head, and I'm just going to go ahead and bring it out. Ooh, there's something in there. Oh, okay, I think there's this mannequin head thing that you can use to secure it to whatever place that you want to, just to secure it, I believe so. So this is the mannequin head. There's nothing else in the box. It's completely empty. So this is the mannequin head. Let's go ahead and open that. Oh wow. All right. Okay. I ordered this mannequin. I think it was 64. It was in a set. I ordered the set. I think if we were to order this alone, let me see. I'm going to just grab my phone. It's right here, guys. this right here. I'm just going to grab my phone to see how much this actually was. I actually like the way it feels. It's really soft. It's a little bit slick, like really, it's really soft, really soft. I'm just going to go ahead and while I'm waiting for the internet or the website to come up, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how it looks. I really like this. It really looks nice. Compare to this one, I think I like this, but I don't know yet. I'm going to do a tutorial on it. The hair is pretty full. It's really full and it's bouncy. Compared to this one, it doesn't, just synthetic hair. So this is my old one and this is the new one. I'm just going to place it on this right here. Just make sure no hair is in it. Here, let me take a brush and I'm going to brush it out. I never have everything ready, never. Okay, I'm just going to take this white brush. Oh, see, it brushes very easily. Let's see if it has those empty. Oh, this is more dense than the other one. So I will be able to show you guys with this mannequin on how to do all sorts of hairstyle, braid, single braids, cornrow, twist, everything. Let me see the middle part. When I saw this on Amazon, a lot of people were complaining that the middle part had no hair. So I'm just going to see. It's not bad. Okay, this is the middle. Let's see. See, it's all full. There's no emptiness or spot that is patchy. They did a very good job. Okay, it's shedding. It's shedding a lot, guys. Oh no way, this is shedding so much. Look, I don't know if you guys can see this. It's shedding so much. That is no, I don't like that part much, but apart from that, I really like it. If you want to purchase this to practice on how to do hair, for first impression, I would say yeah, go ahead and get it. It wasn't that expensive, and it comes with this screw that you can secure it on the desk or wherever you want to work. It's actually very nice. So for $35, it's not that bad. It's not that bad at all. Ugh, let's try to fix this. So this, you use this to secure it. And okay, how do you do this? Oh yeah, okay, let's see. How do you do this? Oh, okay, I got it. Okay, you put this one to it, then you screw it on like this. With this one, you can secure. I try not to make a long video. So with this one, you can secure it to the table, which is actually for $35 mannequin and something to secure it to the table or anywhere that you want to use it. It's not bad at all. So let's move on. This is $34.99. So I also ordered a tripod. I ordered this tripod and I also ordered a Canon remote control. I wanted to get this. I have one before, but for some reason it stopped working after a few months. So I just said, okay, let me reorder another one. This is about $7.99, which is not bad. I'm really happy it's not that expensive. So I ordered a Canon remote control for recording and also a tripod. So let's see and get this out. When I ordered this, I didn't look at the review at first, which I should have. After I finished ordering it, I went down and I saw a whole lot of people saying the tripod is so short, it's so small, they don't like it. The review was not the greatest. But you know what, I already ordered it, so let's see how it looks like. Oh my goodness, this is like seriously sealed. So this is tripod. Let's bring it out. Oh no, this is really small. What is this? Okay, no. No way, this is too small. I want something that is so like tall. This is definitely small. It's really small. Look, this is no. Oh, and it has rust in it. Look, if you don't know if you can see this screw right here, it's really rusty. No, I don't. I'm not impressed with this one at all. And I don't usually return anything from Amazon because it takes the stress is just, oh god, I need something to cut this open. So I'm back and I have a scissors. I'm just going to cut it open. And oh yeah, this is really like, this is like a table stand mannequin. Okay, how is this supposed to work? I think open this like this. Maybe put this inside. I'm not sure. Maybe like this. And yeah, that's how you do it. When you close it and you have a stand like this. I wanted a very long stand, but no, this is too short. And this was, how much was this? $21, $21.99. For $21, I'm not impressed at all. I'm not happy with it. I don't like it. I wanted something very big. It looks very big on the picture, but it's actually very small. It's something that you can just place on the table and start working. No, not at all. Look, I can't even place this on the table because it's too long. You guys will not be able. Well, I'll have to adjust the camera and everything. So maybe I can take this part out. Maybe I can take this part out. I can take this part out and put it on my other tripod. I do have other tripods that I bought from my box light, but I never use my box light. I always use my ring light. So maybe I can just take this part and put it on my tripod and work with it. So this is actually very not useful for me. I'm still thinking about it, if I should return this tripod or if I should keep it. I'm just going to see. I don't know yet. Let's see what I decide. Okay, so I did order a Canon camera remote, and this is how it looks like. So this was very useful for me. When I had it, it was very easy to use. There's a little plastic right here that you just pull out and you connect it to your thing, to your camera. Like you connect it to your camera and you can take picture hand-free. You can press play while you are recording, or you can press stop before you record. So any one of that will work. I haven't set it up yet. That's the reason it's not working. So that is all I got from Amazon. I would say I'm happy with I'm okay. I'm not 100% happy because the wig, I love the texture of this mannequin. Okay, let me move it closer. Let me move it closer. So I love the texture of this mannequin. I do love it. I love the fullness of the hair, no doubt, but I'm not happy with the shading. It sheds so much. See, I just run my hands through and this is the amount of hair that came out. It's shedding so much. I'm not really happy with that. I don't know. See, oh yeah, it's still shedding. So that is the only thing I don't like about it. It has some white hair straight. I think this is 100% human hair. And so guys, this is the finished unboxing video. I hope you guys like it. Please let me know if you're going to purchase anything of this product that I got from Amazon, and I will leave a link down below. And also please, for since you have watched this far, push the subscribe button down below, and push the like button and join the family. And also please guys, watch at least one commercial of my video to support my channel, because you don't make money if they don't watch your commercial. Please do that and support my channel, and share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.